Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Electronics. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and review of the Miniware Motion Control Electric Screwdriver ES15S. This little gadget promises to make your DIY projects a breeze. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The ES15S comes in a sleek, compact box. On the front, we have a picture of the screwdriver and some key features listed. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have the user manual. Always a good idea to give this a quick read. Next, we have the screwdriver itself, neatly packed. It feels solid and well built. We also have a set of 24 magnetic bits. Everything you need to get started. Now, let's talk about the features of the ES15S. This screwdriver is equipped with motion control, which means you can control the speed and direction with just a twist of your wrist. It has 5 torque settings, making it versatile for different tasks. Let's put the ES15S to the test. I have a Miniware MHP30 heater. I will open its screws. Let's see how it performs. Watch this. As I twist my wrist, the screwdriver starts to turn. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to use. The motion control works flawlessly. The screwdriver is powerful enough to handle these screws with ease. The different torque settings are handy for more delicate tasks. Now, let's talk about battery life. The ES15S comes with a built-in rechargeable battery. On a full charge, it can last for up to 2 hours of continuous use, which is quite impressive for a tool of this size. Charging it is simple with the included USB-C cable, and it takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. Here's how you charge it. Just plug in the USB-C cable and you're good to go. The screen display will let you know when it's fully charged. Next, let's discuss the build quality. The ES15S is made from high-quality materials that give it a premium feel. The body is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, which not only makes it sturdy, but also lightweight. The grip is ergonomic, ensuring comfort during extended use. The magnetic bits are also well crafted, fitting securely into the screwdriver. You can really feel the quality when you hold it. It's designed to withstand regular use without any issues. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. Pros. 1. Motion control is intuitive and easy to use. 2. 5 torque settings for versatility. 3. Compact and well-built design. 4. Comes with a comprehensive set of bits. 5. Good battery life with quick charging. 6. High-quality, durable build. Cons. 1. The price might be a bit high for some. 2. It takes some time to get used to the motion control. Overall, the Miniware Motion Control Electric Screwdriver ES15S is a fantastic tool for anyone who loves DIY projects. It's intuitive, versatile, and well-built. If you're in the market for a new electric screwdriver, this one is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in getting one, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the ES15S, leave them in the comments below. See you next time!